Okay. Alright. So it's Atali's time.
So going back, guys.
But will you sing for us, Atali? For double digit, Atali will sing, yes?
Double digits, of course.
Like, yeah. Oh, okay, guys. We should hit double digit. Atali will sing.
Yes.
Okay ka lang, Atali?
Okay ka lang ba?
Yes.
Don't worry. Yeah, chill lang. We're not going to ask uncomfortable questions. Don't need to worry.
Either way, it's fine.
Oh, either way.
Natasha,
But no.
Ka na talaga kayo.
But do you know who Natasha is? Kilala mo ba si Natasha?
Oh my gosh, I actually don't know. That's why, I'm like, Like, kasi I'm not really, super invested in, PBB. I only really watched PBB when Queen was in it, so.
So right now, you're no longer watching PBB?
Maybe sometimes lang pag may mga tasks, kasi,
Clips.
yeah.
But by any chance, do you have, parang may idea ka ba kung, pwede ito si Natasha. Siguro ito si Natasha. No?
No.
No. No. Okay, next question.
Siguro hindi na rin niya iniisip yun.
Oo nga eh. Parang last live nila, yun din yung question. Sino si Natasha?
Yeah. I don't even
Ulit-ulit.
know either. So.
Yeah, it's okay.
May na-share ba si Kuya Nigs? Ha ha ha. What kind of sharing po ba yun? Hunis, clarify. Let me see. Go guys, you can ask questions. Miss A, parang yun na, sorry, that's for me. Ako, guys, kada compliment 50. Depende kay Atali. Anything that you would like to share daw, Atali, na na-share ni Kuya Nigs? Oops! Think about it.
There's so much. Wag lang yung, I'm joking.
Yes, wag yun.
Just the interesting stuff. Parang, when he was in Bahay ni Kuya, he had so much, sorry, how do I say this? Nagpaparaan, something like that.
Paparaan.
Nagpaparaan or something like that. He will do random, combos or something. He just, I don't know. But after he came out, na-miss talaga niya yung mga favorite food.
Oh. Kasi budgeted lang sila sa bahay, no? So,
Yeah. Why? And Queenix is a very big eater because he has fast metabolism. So, kung kaya niya, kakainin niya talaga lahat.
that's the reason why he lose weight nung lumabas siya sa
And he
BNK.
lost quite a lot of weight, which is so scary.
Yes. How old are you, Atali? Sabi nila. How old are
I
you?
am 14.
14, guys. 14.
Yes, my birthday is August 3.
August 3. Okay. We'll take note of that. What are your favorites? What are your favorites, Atali?
Favorite?
Anything. Like, favorites that you would like to share. Favorite food.
I
What
love
genre? What? You like what?
gummies. I don't like chocolates, actually.
Oh, but you like gummies.
I like gummies.
Okay. I'll take note of that. We're going to give you boxes of gummies.
Oh my gosh, that's such a bad diss, bro.
You're so pretty daw, Adali.
Thank you guys, that's so sweet.
Fave colors. What are your favorite colors?
okay. I have a lot. I have 3. I have baby pink, navy blue, and butter yellow.
Oh, baby pink. I like that.
I love baby pink. Look, see this? My tweezers are even pink. So everything in my room.
Favorite.
Yeah. Her favorite
Your favorite
or
male housemate daw kasi your kuya.
favorite male housemate? Male talaga? Yeah, sige. Male and female housemate na lang.
Oh, favorite? Kapuso and Kapamilya.
Pamilya.
No, just one male and just one female.
Guys, so hard.
Okay, one male from Kapuso and Kapamilya, and then one female from Kapuso and Kapamilya. So there's a total of 4.
Okay. So, with the boys first. Kapamilya. Is Miguel Kapuso?
He's Kapamilya.
Okay, Miguel. Kuya Miguel. He looks so nice and he's so funny. I saw this TikTok of him dancing to Soda Pop. So,
He's so cute.
I was like, oh.
He's trying his best.
And then, I did Kapamilya na. Kapuso. Yikes. Who's in Kapuso?
Oh, Anton, Clifford, Heath? Who's the other Kapuso?
Marco.
Marco, yeah.
Marco.
Marco. Yeah.
Well, I haven't met any of them, but like, I think Heath is. It's like, I'm sorry, I'm so.
Well, Heath is like what?
He's so like from the vibes already. You already know that he's a nice person.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
Lee
he's
also. Oh my gosh, Lee also. He's such a nice.
Oo nga pala si Lee.
yeah, Lee is also Kapuso. Na-meet mo na si Lee, Ate Lee?
I did. I met him at I met him sa studio kasi we had a show that day and we were with his family.
Is he funny?
Oh yeah. Yeah, he's very lively. So I don't think you'd ever get bored pag kasama mo si Kuya Lee.
Si Lee. Okay, how about for the female? Like one Kapuso and one Kapamilya?
Female. Oh,
Yeah. The
guys,
girls.
so easy.
So easy. Okay.
I like every one of them. Gosh. Ate Carmel is so good at singing. She's
Yeah.
so beautiful. Lela, she has a chic vibe. Her. Caprice, Ate Caprice, hello. Like, I don't even need to explain myself, bro. Yeah. And Ate Crystal. And, yeah, right? Am I? Oh, Ate Sophia.
Yeah.
Yeah. So much people say that I look like her. I don't see it.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
I also saw some.
Kawig mo.
Actually,
Natalie looks like Sofia Pablo. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yes.
maybe like the hair. I think it's the hair.
Yeah, I think it's also the hair.
It's a lot, but yeah, I think those are my favorite. And of course, Queen Eggs. Duh.
Of course. Of course. But it's okay. If hindi siya kasali.
Yeah. Kinda scared, low key. I don't
Say
even
hello,
know.
adding naman Atali, sabi ni Penpen. Say hello daw,
Oh,
sabi ni
hi!
Penpen.
Hi guys, hi po. Hello all.
Hey, Atali, yes, you can sing few lines of Whole New World, your voice so beautiful daw, sabi ni Glowing Dolls.
Thank you so
Hello
much.
po. Anong grade mo na daw po sa high school, sabi ni Abby.
I'm in 9th grade, and it's hell. It's actually hell.
Sobrang hell ba?
School in basta January 12 na kami. Guys, I can't do it.
Yeah, but before that, guys.
Oy, nawala si Miss A.
9. Can you guys hear me? Ken?
Yes, yan. Okay na. Nawawala ka kanina, Miss A. Ay, nawala na naman siya.
Yes?
You're back.
Yes.
Ayun.
Yeah, I'm back. Okay, so update lang po si Didi. So last donation that we receive is like 10 minutes ago pa when Nix is here. So we're still at 2%. Yes, for tonight. We haven't reached like even 5%, guys. So 2% pa lang po yung na-receive namin. Again, if you would like to donate, you can donate through just sa channel natin of G-App and M-App, 0917-186-4871. So, just 50 pesos lang, guys. But it can be lower than that. Kahit piso or 10 pesos, definitely will come a long way. Yun, hanggang tomorrow na lang din yung vote natin sa Maya. So, that's the reason why we're also having this live. So, yun. Yun. And Atali is very generous with all of the information, guys. Later, madami pa yung i-share. So, please donate. Natalie, what school are you in? If it's is it okay to say it?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
just don't go there.
Yes.
I go to Southville International School and Colleges. It's in Las Piñas.
Okay. Sinong pinaka-favorite mo na brother? Dalawa lang sila. Siguro pantay? Is it equal?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be equal.
Yes, of course. They're two whole different people kasi. It's so hard to describe them both kasi.
Sinong ka-vibe mo sa kanilang dalawa?
I think Kuya Basti. Kuya Basti is so makulat kasi. Kuya Nix kasi he sleeps early na like most of these days eh. So, yeah. Oh my gosh!
Nangyari?
Ano nangyari?
Get out!
Nangyari?
Anong nangyayari?
Hey guys,
Naka-record.
Hi, Basti!
kasama ko dyan ah.
Ako. Hello!
Kasama
Hi,
ko dapat
Basti!
dyan eh. Nauna ka pala. Sorry guys, kakauwi ko lang ngayon.
You ate my chicken? Oh!
Ang cute!
Natatawa ako.
Nag-aaway-away din. Ganun din pala sila mag-aaway, no?
Oo nga.
Mabaho daw yung...
Greedy! Greedy.
Guys,
Hindi ako mag-over.
Nagulat niya.
Gosh, that scared me.
Parang na-record yun.
yeah, it's recorded.
Ano yun? Bigla siyang pumasok? Ano yun?
Oh gosh.
Yeah, bigla na lang yatang pumasok. At kinain yung chicken. Joke.
Eat my chicken tenders, guys. I paid for that.
Nagulat siya. Yes. Ang cute! Guys, dahil na-cutean kayo sa kanila, bagsak na kayo ng donation before mag-answer ang
Natalie, sabi ni Loxin, cute mo daw pong magulat.
Ang gandang magulat. Ang ganda.
Tom and Jerry.
So, nag-aaway kayo ni Basti? Atali, nag-aaway pa kayo ni Basti?
No, more of like he keeps stealing my food because he's such.
It's such a... Wala lang nasabi.
He's just there. He's
Ilan taon na ba si Basti?
19, I think.
yeah, 19.
Oh, 19.
I don't know.
And you, Natalie, sorry.
I'm
14.
Wow.
Yeah, so... Chel, sagot ka na, Chel. Chel, can you open your mic? Chel, nandiyan na si Basti. By the way, Chel is the founder of Basti.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Basti Madix.
Where's my bag?
Kasi sinasabi mo mabaho yung mo.
There.
Oh god.
Bakit?
Shell
Bastinatics.
Yeah. Shell is the founder of Bastinatic.
Basti, say
Hello.
hi to Shell.
Hi.
Say hi, Shell.
Ano na ano ko?
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Gosh, not the one.
I think he spat on me a bit.
Ang kulit ni Basti.
Yes. Guys, if you would like to have a shout out kay Basti, lapag lang kayo. Please send us your proof of donation and we're going to have like a shout out from Basti.
Oh my gosh.
And Atali. Sinilig ako doon Okay.
Ako din. Kinilig ako for Shell.
The ako'y kinikilig.
Yeah. Whoa, where did you hear that song, Atali? Saang edit?
Um,
Okay, next question.
how did you know, guys?
Cellist. Yeah,
Okay.
that's a duo name. Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Oh my gosh,
Chelsea.
I'm sorry. Don't
Wait,
make
Chel,
an edit of
salita
my
ka naman,
brother's
Chel.
bro.
Yeah.
By the way, Chel is one of
Chel,
our
salita ka
like,
naman, Chel.
I know, editors sa Capgo.
Oh.
Like her edits are so great.
Yeah, I think I've seen some of them na with Attica.
And si Natalie rin. Editor
And
din
also
natin siya
Yana,
sa
yes.
Yes.
I like editors. So, it means na nakapanood ka na ng Capgo edits, Adelie?
Maybe like all of them.
Oh.
Maybe like all of them.
Do you have like favorite? Like a favorite? Like favorites?
Okay. I have a secret account and I basically just repost like everyone. Like everyone.
Okay, secret.
Ay, secret. Okay. Like 163 yung viewers, guys. Hush lang. Don't tell it to anyone.
I repost like everything. Like anyone about like but it's like all about showbiz with Queen Eggs and stuff. And Queen Basti.
Ang cute, Atali. Ang cute.
Yes.
So, nakita mo ba, Atali, yung PLDT task na edits ni Kuya mo and Caprice? Yes, what's with a smile? Okay.
Atali.
Okay, I repost it.
Yeah. And the ano pa bang edits? Ano bang Yung,
Yung isa the one na yung I don't know what task it was, but you were holding like
Candle.
the one and
the
there's
candles?
Kandila.
yeah, basta the ones that's like that.
Yeah, the candelabra. Yeah, the first week.
Candelabra, yeah, that
Yeah.
one. And it was just like,
Saan doon?
why are you here? Anyway,
Ang ganda.
it was just like yung parang she had like that, and then Queen X just kept, yeah.
Yung ano,
Ano?
What's that? Anong edit yun?
I don't know, but it was like the song was. What was that song again? Yung sa gabi sa mami lumilipas. Yeah.
Hinahanap.
Hinahanap kita.
Well, Basti, meet
Yes.
Shell. Shell?
Chel. Grabe naman.
Naglulumpasan na yun si Chel.
May sakit si Shell. Magaling ka na, Shell.
Magaling ka.
Oo, Basti.
Ay,
Hi,
pagaling.
Michelle, kasi may sakit siya.
Pagaling daw. Pagaling.
Basti, message naman for Chel kasi may sakit siya.
Magpagaling ka, Chel.
Okay.
Okay na ba yun? Okay na ba?
No.
Basti, si DM daw.
DM. Hi, DM. Ano ba pwede ko sabihin?
Baka may
Kanina pa kayo nagla-live?
9 p.m.
Sorry na late ako.
You're stealing my lightning. I mean lighting.
Lighting, sorry. Nang 8 pa daw, dapat daw sasali, pero ngayon na ako nakuha. Grabe traffic sa Katip.
What's your course, Basti?
Management po.
Management daw, Shell. Polsci.
Oh, wow.
Polsci?
Future,
Wow.
yeah, future lawyer, big brain.
Grabe. Yan na.
Naks naman.
Ang alam ko for Inigo to, hindi for Shell and Basti.
Ay, sorry. Sige, alis na ako.
Ay, no. Okay. That's it. Okay. Let me see if
Wow, What?
Yeah, go.
Okay lang kung sumali ako?
I'll think about it. Kuya Basti, how much chicken did you eat?
Huh?
How much chicken did you eat?
I left one.
You left one?
Sabi niyo, mag-post ko na daw.
Someone dropped 1,000 pesos. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh.
Guys, Kuya Basti left me one chicken tender. Oh my gosh, how generous. Just love that.
Guys, 6K na lang, Atali will sing. 6K na lang, guys, Atali will sing.
Kuya Basti sings really, really good.
And Basti. For Basti. Guys, double digit for Basti to sing. Kami na ang nag-decide na kanta siya. Kahit hindi nga alam.
Oh my gosh. I need more edits of Kuya Basti. I need to teach him, bro.
So he sings. Saan namin makikita yung videos niya nga nakakanta? Parang wala naman kami nakikita.
It's so rare. Kasi before, he's really good at singing. Like he's just not like publicly, like he's shy. He's a shy person.
May question dito, Atali. Any thoughts about Capgo's Nesty sponsor task? For sure, napanood mo na to.
Yes.
Yung kumanta sila.
Yung kumanta sila with something. Something, I forgot. Ano tawag yun?
Nag-karaoke sila.
Yes.
I saw like one edit on my For You page and I was like, I didn't remember this happening. So I started stalking a lot of people, the edit. It's just like, oh, okay.
Okay. Thumbs up if it's approved.
Joking.
Okay. Pangako sa'yo, doon yung pangako sa'yo, lagi kang pakikinggan. Something like that. The ano.
Anong title nga ng kantang
Anong kanta yun? Kalimutan ko na.
She also forgot.
ang nakalipas? Parang ganun.
Will you call Cap as ate? Actually, tinatawag niya na si Caprice as ate. Right? Atali?
Yeah, but guys, look what the heck is happening. How do I flip my camera?
Bakit ba? Ang cute nyo.
Digit. Basti will sing. Guys, it's very rare daw for Basti to sing. So please, drop na. Basti, Sebastian Castillo will sing.
Dapat may bayad. Joke lang.
Yeah,
There is.
yes. For double digit, there is. May bayad. Pero sa amin. Pero sa amin. Guys, and share this live. We do have 130.
I can't see. May sakit ako ngayon.
Shell, may sakit daw si Basti. Shell, may sakit si Basti. What are you going to say? Shell? Shell?
Naglulumpasan na yun si Chel sa hilig.
Si Shell nga pala ang number 1 shooter ng Bastinatics.
Teka lang. Ano? Ano daw? Ano daw? Hindi ko narinig. Sorry.
Yeah, siya yung... meron ka kasing fandom na din, pero maliit pa lang. Ang
Well,
tawag sa fans ay Bastinatics.
Yeah,
Oh my God. No way.
And ang founder nun ay si Shell.
Oh my God.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Grabe.
Yes. Kaso lang ang hirap mo daw kuhanan ng edits kasi you don't post that much.
Yeah.
So,
Hammer shy po ako eh. So,
And then why are you here?
yes.
and in-invite ako eh.
Basta po kakanta si Basti for 10K. Guys, double digit, Basti will sing.
No!
Para madami siyang edit for tonight.
Basti, for Kuya Nigs, kakanta ka.
Yes, for Kuya Nigs.
Kakatawa
Okay. I see. So yung nag-donate pala ng 1K ay para sa Bashel daw. Ay, thank you so much po.
Bash! Ba, may...
Wala. At nag-donate ng 1,000. Oh, thank you so much, guys. For Inigo
May
to. Para sa kuya ni
Bashel pala
Basti.
eh.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Bashel.
Ano ba siya? Bashel? Bashel. Oh, okay.
Baste, Joshel.
Di ba binigyan pa kaninang Shell?
Chelsea.
Chelsea. Okay.
Parang nasty.
Gets Hunis. Guys, again for double.
Ano daw, nagre-ready sa panel si Sergio Basta in case next season.
May question. Sino sa inyong tatlo mahilig kumanta? Inigo, Basti, and
Ito
Atali.
talaga si Atali.
Yeah, me, but Kuya Basti is the next one. And then Queenig.
Hanggang sa shower lang kami ni Queen. Ito, kumakanta talaga.
Sample.
Sample for double digit, guys. Sample for double digit.
Yes.
Gawa na ng Bashel Official. Ay! Okay. Bashel Official.
Bashel.
Pastel.
Yeah.
Gawa na ng edits yan.
Bashel cute. Yeah, ang cute. Bashel is Bashel. Hi, Baste and Atali.
Hello.
Hello, Mia Floor.
Yes, guys, if may questions din kayo for them. How about you, Basti? Nakapanood ka na ba ng Capgo edits? Weird, no?
Yun talaga yung parati ko nakikita, actually.
Pero hindi mo pinapanood.
Ha?
Nakikita mo.
Nakikita ko, tapos pinapanood ko, syempre. Sa TikTok.
Yun, puro Capgo. Ang dami, no?
Puro Capgo, tapos Lil Nigo. Yun ulit.
Yun nga.
Capgo talaga.
Bakit iba yung ngiti mo sa pangalawa mong sinabi?
Saan? Wala ganun. Wala.
Nakita Cap. Yung edit ba ni Shell, nakita mo na? Yung mga edits? Kasi Shell is an editor.
Oh,
Bukod sa
really?
pagiging pol-sci student, editor siya.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you're laughing. Tama naman yun.
Unexpected lang.
Yes.
Siya ba yun? Nakita ko yan. Yung sa hinahanap kita na.
That's her nga yung sinabi ni Adrian na
Sige. Guys, share.
Ito palang nakikita kong edit eh.
yan nga.
Yung hinahanap kita audio. Yun lang.
Si Shell ba yung editor nun?
I think so.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think si Shell yung editor.
Hanapit ko.
Hala, hinanap.
Okay. Anong user ni... Ayan, si Shell. Si Shell to.
Ano ba yun?
Ang submarine editor.
Hindi daw siya. Hindi daw si Shell. Anong viral edit mo, Shell? I think ikaw yun.
Ako na.
Kaya na.
Wait!
No,
Hindi.
Ren research.
Hindi ako nagamit ng ganong kanta.
Ako rin, hindi rin nagamit ng ganong kanta eh.
Hindi.
Si Shirin ba, nagamit na?
Ayan o.
Ay!
Sorry.
Chinese.
Ay!
Iba pala.
Atali, pinaasa mo kami. Iba pala yun.
Iba pala.
Guys.
Sorry, no? Hindi kami pala yun. Grabe ka, Atali. We thought it's for Capco.
Gamitin na lang natin sa next edits.
Yes, mag-edit si Shell na yun yung kanta. Para siya talaga yung editor.
Ano ba yung TikTok ni Shell? Tignan ko yung mga edits para ma-like ko.
Wait lang! Guys,
Shell din, yung pangalan, Shell lang.
this one, Shell.
Sige.
May panuno pa to. May panuno.
Grace, stop. O arte.
Kinikilig.
Oh my God, ang daming edits. Ang galing. Grabe, sa support. Critics of.
Wow. Sebastian Castillo viewed your profile.
Yeah. Guys, habang kinikilig kayo, don't forget our donation drive. It's already flash on the screen. Thank you.
Ayun, wala na naman si Miss A.
Konti na lang. Kakanda na si Basti, guys. Push
Haba
pa.
ng hair ni
It's still early.
Bashel talagang madaming ayuda tonight.
Ayan
Wala
nga
na yung
eh.
cup go eh.
May question dito for both of you. Paano ba reaction ni Inigo kapag nandyan crush niya? Nonchalant lang ba or OA?
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
Ganyan siya eh. He just goes like this.
Ayun pala talaga.
So yun talaga, totoo yun.
Or sometimes, ganyan lang siya.
Oh, thank
okay,
you so
gets.
much.
Gets,
Yes.
gets.
Okay, gets guys.
And po and opo. Nonchalant king.
Natabunan na ng bashel yung Capgo. Oh, well.
Bash.
Saka na kayo, Oh, naiba naman. Bastel? Oh, there's like 3. Capgo muna.
You went the...
Couch?
Yeah, down downstairs. Shit.
Hoy, 1K uli pag nag-hi si Shell kay Basti. Shell! Go!
Shell. Tapag na kayo, guys. Again, konti na lang. Half na lang dun sa goal. Basti will sing na. Ang aga po, Basti can, Lapag kayo para balik sa Capgo.
May sakit nga ako.
Hey, I was the one yesterday.
Well, si mom, pinakanta nyo na.
Yeah.
Hi, Basti daw, sabi ni Shell.
Hello, Aksha.
Grabe. Tama na, Basti. Baka hindi na siya,
Hindi na siya okay.
hindi na siya okay ulit. Humahawak din ba ng hair si Nigs pag dumadaan sa crush niya? Oh, parang yung mannerism.
Yung mannerism.
Yes. Anong mannerism niya kapag nandyan si crush?
Oh my gosh, Mom's returning the karaoke machine.
Oh, nice. Ang cute ng pamilyang to.
Bakit ka ba bakit?
Hindi, kayo.
Kayo kami.
Me, I already did it yesterday. He's doing it.
May sakit nga ako.
I had phlegm. Yeah.
Miss A, natatawa ako sa...
Cute na,
You're not wrong. Mine's
Parang,
Bakit ako tayo gusto?
Okay, go look at mine then.
okay, yeah. Mag-aasay ng questions. Ang dami questions dito. Okay. So, ano daw yung mannerism ni Nigs kapag nandyan yung crush niya?
Mom. Bakit ako?
Mom!
That's your child.
Kuya, ang sumagot.
Sa alam ko lang, pag nakikita niya yung crush niya, yung nanonotice ko lang mannerism. Not really mannerism, if anything, sobrang obvious. Parang,
Yeah, he
like,
doesn't know
he
how
can't stop smiling lang
He just
talaga.
goes...
Grabe ka na, okay po mag ano.
What do you
Wala lang,
mean?
like he really can't stop smiling pag nakikita niya.
That's literally just what I did. Huh?
Guys, 10,000 pesos tas crush reveal. So,
Crush reveal! Nino, crush mo? Okay. Oy, guys! Grabe, ang baba na nun.
It's up. I'm joking.
It's what?
di mo naman kilala.
Kilala ko, bro. Oh, really? Really? Okay, watch me.
Mics are at
Wag na.
It's in my room in like my golden goose basket thing.
Ma'am, sumama ka na rin dito.
Oh yeah, where's she gonna stay? On the table, bro?
Pwede.
From
Just
Daisy, Basti, and Atali, please tell Kuya na what's more important to Capgo is knowing na he is doing fine. Aww. Thank you, Daisy.
Thank you so much.
Bakit may question about Natasha, guys? Yung Natasha ay nasagot na ni Nix kanina.
yes.
Hindi daw marireveal. Natasha will be multo na daw. Multo na daw si Natasha, guys. Pero alam ni Basti yung sagot kung sino si Natasha. Ay, joke.
Secret.
Secret.
Secret. Ha?
Bakit naririnig ko yung boses ni Atali? I can hear you.
Oh, sorry.
Hindi talaga makaano. Secret si ate.
Or do you think it's...
Okay. I'm one of their tita, Miss A. Oh? Daisy? One of your titas daw, guys.
I'm one of your tita, Miss A.
Miss A is me. I'm Angel. A. I'm Miss A. I'm one of their tita. Oh, huh? Kamag-anak niyo siya?
Titas of Capgo.
I thought tita nila. Okay, sorry po, sorry. Na-confused. Sorry. There's another, may titas of Capgo kasi. Those are, titas from, like, different parts of the world. Like, those who are abroad. Titas of Capgo.
Yung isang mic.
It's in, but, sorry.
Questions, guys. You can drop your questions. Questions.
Now that mom left the room, I have to tell you this. Queenix broke the couch kanina. Oh, there? Thanks, mom. Love you.
I love you.
I hope you love Queenix too.
Of course I do.
Aware na siya? Is she aware already?
Guys, that couch was older than me and mom and combined. And when Dylan was there, right? He was filming. When Queenix sits down, he goes like that. Oh, I'm so tired. Boom! And then ganun na yung couch.
The big guy.
Yeah.
Guys, habang nag-uusap sila, drop your donations. Again, for double digit, Basti will sing. So guys, drop your questions. And donations. Catch the lines. Thoughts nila sa I Love You Samuel. Huh? Napanood niyo na ba to, guys? Yung guesting ni Inigo sa TikTok Clock? Tama ba yun? TikTok Clock. Tapos nag-ano siya, I love you.
No. That's
The clock yung kay...
Kuya Kim.
Kuya Kim?
Yes.
See, I told you, bro. I did.
Really?
Okay. Nakita niya.
Anong masasabi mo doon, ate?
Anong masasabi niyo doon?
Yes. Mom knows what we're talking about. Oh yeah, shoot.
Hindi ko pa napanood yun. Nakita ko lang yung clips na yun.
No, but what was the question? I don't get it. How did we get
Ilan ang sampal kay
Caprice?
Sa Cruz versus Cruz.
Okay, so tatlo.
Tatlo or dalawa?
Yeah.
Kuya
Of course you did. I love you.
Nice.
Corny.
Nice one.
daw sila ni Caprice, di ba? Corny mga jokes nila.
Yeah.
Ba't naman I love you, haha? Tanong natin kay Inigo, bakit I love you? Sinampal na, pero I love you?
Kasi tatlong sampal daw kasi kaya I love you.
Either way.
Nahanap ka rin ng Sopinyo.
Sofino. Hello, Sofino.
May ganun pala.
Grabe, ang dami namang Bastinatics, oh. Hinahanap sa kabila.
Paano nila ko yung pangalan niya? Ba't basti na?
Eh, kasi mine also is, I saw one, diba?
Yeah.
I
Ano
like
bang gusto mo? Basti Nation? Pwede
I like
din.
Basti World.
Basti Globe?
Basti Global.
Basti Global?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, silky hair.
Kasi ako.
Mom, Palmolive.